Hey there, friends. We are Let's Tute, an e-learning organization from Mumbai, India. Welcome to our course on Fundamentals of Mathematics. You must be wondering that why do we have to study math at all? Let's have a look at few of these instances. All of these may look very regular images, but there is one major thing connecting all of them. Can you think of what? Well, it's mathematics. For designing such big roller coasters, all the algebra comes from polynomials. For designing such bridges, all you need concepts about geometry like isosceles and equilateral triangles. And there is immense mathematics involved when you do a lot of daily life things like calculating the time to reach school, rechecking the amounts after discount, and receiving proper change, calculating the amount in your piggy bank, and many more. Math can be really fun and interesting topic if you start relating it with real life and make use of it every day. Ever wondered that why in kindergarten we start with alphabets and numbers? Because these are the two most important languages to communicate. Math helps in sharpening the mind, helps you to stay focused, makes calculations easy, helps in making right decisions, etc. But why people feel that math is a difficult subject? One of the major reasons is that students don't understand math properly. Math is an abstract subject. Students cannot visualize it properly or they cannot feel math. In order to solve any math question, student needs to picture it properly. This lack of visualization is one of the reasons why students are afraid of math. Then there is a lack of interest or not taught in an interesting manners, etc. Well, here we have a course on mathematics which will help you to understand and help you to excel in math. This course, which is prepared by a team of subject experts, will take you through various topics like numbers and number systems, various algebraic equations, expressions, operations, etc., which are explained using simple, easy and relatable examples, and also see their various applications. This course has a combination of video lectures for concept explanation, problem solving and quiz videos to test your knowledge. Plus, we are providing downloadable resources too. So, this course will definitely help any beginner who has an interest in the subject. It will also greatly benefit all or anyone who wants to clear their basics for studying advanced math. Let's take a quick glance at the course curriculum. At the end of the course, you will not only be thorough with the subject knowledge, but will also be able to solve various problems related to the topic and yes, ultimately score well in your exams too. So why wait? Join us and experience learning like never before.